Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Eisert with Victoria Property Group, powered by eXp Realty. Today, we're standing outside unit number 10 at 126 Hallowell Road. This well-kept 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome with ocean view will tick off all your boxes. Why don't you please join me and let's have a closer look. I hope you enjoyed this amazing tour. If you have any other questions or want more information, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Dr. Greg Eisert, my number 250-415-1078. But don't take too long. This one won't last long.